Sticky buttons in a car can be annoying because they do not press smoothly. This usually happens due to dirt, dust, or grease buildup. There are simple methods to fix sticky buttons in your car. Alcohol quickly dissolves grease and sticky residue, helping car buttons clean and function smoothly. To fix sticky buttons in your car, first pour the rubbing alcohol into a glass carefully and prepare it for cleaning. Then dip the ear cleaning swab into the alcohol and gently apply it to the sticky button surface. Rub carefully around the edges so the alcohol dissolves the stickiness and cleans thoroughly. Next, wipe the sticky button with a microfiber cloth so it removes all remaining residue completely. Keep wiping gently until the button feels clean, dry, and smooth to the touch. After wiping, you can see that some sticky residue is still remaining in the corners of the button. Again, dip the ear swab in alcohol and carefully apply it to the corners of the button where residue remains. Rub gently to dissolve and lift the sticky residue until the button is completely clean. After cleaning, you can remove all dirt and residue, fixing the sticky buttons in your car. Sanitizer helps remove dirt and sticky residue from car buttons while disinfecting the surface. To fix sticky buttons in your car, start by taking some sanitizer on a tweezer. Gently apply the sanitizer directly to the sticky button using the tweezer for precision. Make sure to reach all the edges where dirt and grime may be trapped. Allow the sanitizer to dissolve the sticky residue for a few moments. After using this, your car's sticky button is fixed and free from any residue. Vinegar effectively dissolves grime and sticky residue, restoring smooth movement to car buttons. To fix a car's sticky button, spray vinegar onto a microfiber cloth before cleaning the button. Next, gently wipe the sticky button with the microfiber cloth, making sure to cover all sides and edges. Continue rubbing until all residue is removed and the button moves smoothly without sticking. After cleaning thoroughly, your car's sticky button is completely fixed, free of residue, and works smoothly again. Oops Multi-Purpose Cleaner effectively removes dirt, grease, and residue, making sticky car buttons clean and smooth. To fix sticky buttons, first apply the Oops Multi-Purpose Cleaner onto a microfiber cloth. Then rub the sticky button thoroughly with the microfiber cloth and cleaner, applying gentle pressure to loosen grime. Continue wiping until all residue is removed and the button feels smooth and responsive again. After cleaning, you can see the sticky button is fixed and all the sticky residue has been completely removed. So, by applying these effective methods and products, you can fix sticky buttons in your car.